Welcome back, mamas. This is the Malibu Bottom tutorial. You can get the pattern at bmpatterns.com. We'll start by cutting out our pattern pieces. So you'll need a front and a back in the main fabric and the same pieces in the lining fabric. Place the front and the back pieces of the main fabrics right side together and attach at the sides and gusset. Do the same for the lining fabric. Sew along the sides and the gusset area. I'm using a serger, but a zigzag stitch on a regular sewing machine is fine. Once you attach the front and back pieces, turn the main piece to the right side and insert the lining piece inside, matching up the seams. So the wrong sides of both fabrics should be facing each other. Pin along the leg holes and the top opening. You can baste around these areas like I'm doing here before attaching the elastic so that the main fabric doesn't slip and slide. I always recommend doing this step to make it look as neat and professional as possible. You'll attach the elastic to these same areas and pull about 10%. You pull in just the elastic, not the fabric. Remove the basting, and the last step is to turn the bottoms on the right side and fold the elastic over towards the lining side and stitch it down with a zigzag stitch, or my personal favorite, a straight stitch with a twin needle. For this, you'll just thread the machine with a second spool of thread and pass each thread through the needle eye. I prop my thread up on the bobbin threader so it can easily rotate. If you're using this method, be sure to go slow, especially over the thicker areas where the side and gusset seams are. And we are done. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon with another tutorial.